In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Sendwave in Kenya using VPN 2025 step by step. Before we start, quick note, always follow your local laws and the app's terms of service. You'll need a smartphone, a stable internet connection, and a VPN. Once you have those, we'll walk through everything clearly. First, download a reliable VPN app from your device's official app store. Look for a reputable provider with strong reviews, good speeds, and servers in multiple countries. After installing it, open the app and allow any connection permissions it requests. That permission simply lets the VPN route your traffic securely. Next, connect to a server in the United States or the United Kingdom. Wait for the VPN to show that you're connected. Most apps display a key or shield icon in your status bar. If you want to be extra sure it worked, you can quickly confirm within the VPN app that your chosen location is active. Now head to your app store and download the Sendwave app. Because you're connected to a USA or UK server, the app should be visible and ready to install. If it doesn't appear right away, close and reopen the store and try again with the VPN still on. Open Sendwave and tap Sign Up. The layout may change slightly over time, but the option to create a new account will be front and center. Move through the prompts at a steady pace and keep the VPN connected during setup so nothing interrupts the process. Enter your information exactly as it appears on your identification documents. Use accurate details to avoid issues later with verification or transfers. Take a moment to review each field before continuing so everything is correct. Next, verify your phone number. Choose the correct country code, enter your number, and wait for the SMS code. Type the code into the app to confirm ownership of the number. If the message takes a moment, give it a little time. If needed, use the resend option in the app. You can add a payment method now or skip and do it later. If you choose to add one, make sure the card or account you use supports international transactions and matches the details on your profile. This helps prevent declined payments. That's it. Start using Sendwave. Explore the app, set your preferences, and get comfortable with the interface. Keep your VPN connected whenever you're performing region-limited actions, and if something doesn't load, reconnect the VPN and try again. With these steps, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and take care.